Hello everyone. Today's session is about how to save a machine. To save a machine, what you need to specify, click here on the file, go to the save machine. Once you are saving the machine, please ensure that whatever the name you want to specify, you can do so. Suppose you are saying second, and what is mandatory here that you must give an extension .cpu. This is very important. So after that you can click on the save button. So this machine has already been saved, so I will not be saving it again. Now once registers are created, the next stage is how to create micro instructions. So to create a micro instruction, you need to click on the modify again, click on the micro instructions, and here you need to specify the micro instructions which you want to create. So for your knowledge, I will like to tell you that these micro instructions has been classified into different groups, like your set, like your test, increment, shift, logical, arithmetic. So whatever you want to specify, you can do so. So I am creating for a demonstration purpose from transfer R to R. So I will create registers. So in this case, what you need to specify, you need to specify the name. Whatever the name you want to specify, you can do so, but what I will suggest here, that is specify the source as well as destination. For example, I just want to say that I want to transfer from the program counter to address. So what I will do in this case, I will write here PC to AR. So this is the way how I will write the name. Of course, it is not a compulsion. Whatever any other name which you want to give, you can give as per your convenience. Now come to the source. In source, you need to click here. What is the source of your register? In this case, the source is PC. Source is start bit. Here it will start from 0. So destination is your AR. Click on the AR here. Destination start bit is 0 and number of bit which I want to transfer is 12, because if you remember, once we have created the register, that program counter and address register both are of 12 size. So what I have done, I have started from 0. So total number of bit which I want to transfer is 12. So this is one way of creating a register. Now if I just want to say that transfer the and say for example from the data register to any other register, if I am saying to the accumulator register, so I will say data register to the accumulator register. I will say here AC. Now in this case my source is data register. I will say DR. The source start bit is 0. Destination is my AC, so I will select here accumulator. Destination start bit again I will keep it as 0, but number of bit which I want to transfer here is 16. All the data which is available in the data register, I just want to transfer it. Similarly, if I want to transfer from the accumulator to the data register, I will specify the name. In this case, the source is AC itself, so I will not change. The starting bit is from 0. Destination is data register, so I will change it to the data register, and here I will write 16. Fine. Now once you have created all this transfer register, then what you can do, you need to specify something, that is your decode. Decode is very important because once we are fetching the instruction, at that time it plays a key role. So here I am saying IR decode. So which register you want to decode? You want to decode IR register. So click here IR and click on the OK. But we will not click here OK because we need to specify some more instruction. So accordingly I can do it. Now if I want to create input output, then I can create input output as well. Now what is my name? I just want to say I want to read it, so I will say read. Type is integer, this is the value which I want to take. Buffer is accumulator, and direction for reading what we want, we will be keep this direction as input itself. Now another is I am saying write in. So what I will do, I will say here as write integer buffer is accumulated. Now what is my direction for writing? I will be taking the direction towards the output side. So this is the way how I can specify the direction. Similarly, set condition bit. Okay, I have not created the here you will see that it is none of the option has been highlighted. What is the reason? Reason is I have not created a status register there. So what I will do, I will go here, I will click on the hardware modules. In register I will create a conditional bit. This is very important, otherwise that will not be highlighted. So I will say uh, halt bit, and my register is status. Number of bit which I want to specify is 1. You can take 0 also, but I will specify it here 1. So after that click on the OK button. Right. So now once after that, if you will click here onto the micro instruction, go to your condition bit. So now you will find that it is highlighted. Right. So now you will say whatever the name you want to specify, you can specify here. Just say halt 1. Okay. So what you want that the value should be 1. Now what I want that once the halt has been executed, it should be stopped also. So again I need to modify it into the register. I will go to the condition bit. Here you need to check mark also. This is also important, otherwise it will not get halted. So click on the check mark and click on the OK. So this is the way you can create the instruction. I will give you a demo of Bombard machine. So I am clicking on the open machine. Of course I need to save this also. Then I can click on the sample assignment. Here Bombard is already existing. Now see here all the registers which has been created by the Bombard. These are the registers which has been created, and after that I will be showing you what are the micro instructions. So set, they have created like this. Test, accordingly you can create the test. See here for the accumulator you can just write down number of bits, value, and the omission which you want. Another is your increment. This is increment. If you just want to increment the program counter, and please ensure that you are taking the delta here as 2, right? And click here on the arithmetic. These are the arithmetic like your add and everything they have specified. So this is the way how you can create the arithmetic. Of course you can again cringe and click on the other options which are available, transfer R to R, and you can see what are the R to R which need to be created. So as per your need you can create all those instructions. Once it is over, then you can switch over for another option, that is your creating of the other thing, that is creating machine instruction. But before that, please ensure that all the micro instruction which you need, that has been that are existing, then only you can go for that. Next section will be dealing about how to create machine instructions. Thank you very much.